Good morning. This is Leslie with Simply Vegan, and this morning we are going to make our own dairy-free yogurt. Wash your hands. We want to make sure that we're not getting any other bacteria in our yogurt than what we plan to put in there for our probiotic. So we're going to start with a box of soy milk. I like to get unsweetened soy milk, but I do add sugar, so I guess if you use regular sweetened, that will work too. It comes in an ASAP pack, so open it up. It's got little grooves in there that will cut the inner seal. Then you want to get a probiotic that's at least 10 billion per capsule. And this is the brand that I get, Jarrow. So we're going to open up our capsule. Right here, your hands should be clean, and you're just going to put the capsule, carefully open it so that you don't lose any of it. This one's a tough one. There we go. And put the capsule content into the soy milk. Make sure you kind of roll it around a little bit so that you get it all. There we go. There's been a lot of research recently about gut health. Being a vegan or eating a whole food plant-based diet does supply good fiber in your gut, which is really good for bacteria to feed on. Those would be called prebiotic. This is probiotic, which is the actual bacteria itself. So we've got our yogurt, we've got our probiotic in there. Because this is unsweetened, it needs something to feed on. So I'm going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of an organic sugar. We'll put the cover on there. Give it a shake. Making yogurt couldn't get any easier than this. No machine, low cost. You can even often get these on sale, the soy milk on sale. Then you're just going to take this box, set it on your counter for 24 hours, and then put it in the refrigerator, and you're going to have yogurt. It does seem to thicken up a little better after it's been chilled, so I usually make it at night. The next night, I put it in the refrigerator, and then in the morning, perfect yogurt. Bon appetit. Eat for strength. Good morning. This is Leslie with Simply Vegan. This morning, you're going to see a down-home breakfast. We did a demo on making a fruited rice dish, and so we've got that here on the table this morning. And we did a demo on making yogurt with a box of soy milk. So we have that here this morning, and I want to show that to you this morning. Let me go ahead and serve up some of this rice dish here. You're seeing what we really do for breakfast. This fruited rice is wonderful. All right. Now this yogurt, very simple to make. I'm going to take that right out. I don't know if you can see that. See if you want to get the camera a little closer. Beautiful soy yogurt, inexpensive to make. Sweetened only as much as you want to sweeten it. Then we've got some blueberries here this morning. Now, blueberries out of season, of course, are really expensive if you can even find them. So we like to get frozen blueberries and keep them in the freezer, and then at night just put them in a bowl and they'll defrost in the refrigerator, and then you can just go ahead and put them on top of your breakfast cereal. Blueberries are loaded with antioxidants. They are such good food. Plenty of fruit on a vegan table. We're going to have a banana this morning as well. We've got nuts here, almonds, which are a great source of calcium, carob powder, which I'm going to mash up with my flaxseed and put that with my banana. The carob powder is also a source of calcium. Some people think it tastes like chocolate. I won't go that far, but it is really delicious. And then the flaxseed and chia seed are ground together. This is a great source of omega-3 fiber, lots of good stuff in there. So we're going to have some of that. My husband likes to have pecans, so he's going to have some of those on his cereal this morning. I'm going to put almonds on mine. Just a little handful there. That's going to be delicious. Then I also take some vitamin D3. Most people are very low on their vitamin D, so if you're not sure, which you probably aren't, get your doctor to do a blood test for you, and your level should be between 50 and 100. Even if you get a lot of sun, it can be very difficult to get enough vitamin D, which is essential for really great health. And then this little pill right here is a sublingual, it means it goes under your tongue, B12. And it's not only vegetarians or vegans that could have a B12 deficiency, but there is always a risk of that. And so, under the tongue, just let it dissolve under there. And I'd like to do that 3 times a week because it'll stay in your body for a while. All right, we have an amazing breakfast here. I can't hardly wait to dig in. So bon appetit, eat for strength. Have a great day.